Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today it is my last beauty box unboxing for October, and one that I always look forward to. It is from Look Incredible. Yes. So this is the standard box and it only comes every 2 months, so I have to wait a long time for it to come, but whenever it does come I'm always really happy about it. So I just get great products in here, and to be honest I just love it, and I wish it was every month, but it isn't. So let's get stuck in and see what it's like. So this is, we do a standard box, which is what I get, and it's £25 every other month. They also do a deluxe box, which is £35 every month. And I think there's like a secret box or something they do as well, but I'm not too sure about that one, but the details are on the website. So here we go. So it's in this silver box, and it flips up like this. I never see any spoilers for it. They don't put much on the social media either. So yeah, here we go. Let's have a look and see. The noodly doodlies are just hanging out everywhere. It's like, oh, so the card's on the top, and there we go. So I'm going to put this down, get the card, and I'm going to start picking out and see. So it says here October edition, but Look Incredible. Does it say anything about it? I don't want to look at it too much because I don't want to give it away. So anyway, first things first is we have a Florapy chamomile patchouli infused with patchouli aromatherapy calm, soothe, unwind facial mask. This is a stress relief mask. I have had this once before in a box, and I can't remember if it was in a Look Incredible box or not, but I have reviewed it, and so I remember that. So if you do want to have a look at my review of this face mask, I'll pop you a little card up here, so do pop over and have a look. I am going to start up a series of face mask reviews, so do sort of subscribe if you haven't already, and then you won't miss out on any of those, especially if you hit the bell. So never miss an opportunity. So yeah, so it is a calm, soothe, unwind stress relief mask. It's a really nice brand, this Florapy, and in fact they actually messaged me after I'd done my review as well, which I thought was really nice, and said that they'd watched my review and enjoyed it. So yeah, so it just gives you on the back a little bit of details about it. But as I say, sheet masks are just fantastic. What does it say in here? Oh, there's another one. So this one is Sunflower Lemon, and it's to lighten, brighten and condition. So floral therapy facial sheet to even skin tone. So I need to do this one, definitely review this. So we've got 2 masks from Florapy. That makes me very happy. So it says, so inspired by the healing powers that blossom in nature, our easy-to-use masks are soaked in highly nutritious flower ingredients and powerful aromatherapy essential oils. Each product has been carefully crafted to create the perfect balance of ingredients to harmonise the skin, mind and body for results you can see and feel. Each mask provides an intense hydration treatment to fight off trouble zones, fine lines and give the appearance of plump, radiant skin. Hydrated skin is healthy skin. Each treatment fights off the stresses of the day by harmonising the skin, mind and body with aroma floral therapy. Hydrate while addressing common skin concerns and engage the mind in thoughts of renewal, self-confidence and strength. And the value of these masks is £16. So yeah, I'm really happy to receive these, and as I say, I've tried this one before, I haven't tried this, but all I'm going to say is I'm happy. So yeah, that's the first item. Next item I can see is, what is this? So it is an eye primer. I think I've had this before as well. And it is Korres. And it is Quercetin and Oak Anti-Aging Eye Primer. Maybe I haven't. It just looks really familiar. So this is it here. And it is a full-size item as well. I meant to say you get all full-size items in this box. So you get 5 full-size beauty items, which is why I love it. So this primer provides a 360-degree smooth canvas around the delicate eye area, ensuring crease-proof, long-lasting eyeshadow and concealer wear. It's 4 mils and retails for £7.99. Let's have a little look here. So it's a doe foot applicator and just pops up on the back of my hand. So yeah, I mean, it seems fine. It feels quite silicone-y. I don't know if it's drying to a powder, but I am certain I've had one of these before. Let me have a quick peep. I recognise the packaging. I'm certain I've had this, but maybe not. Okie doke, enough of that. So next item is, ooh, blimey. So it is this, which is an unusual thing. I've not had this before. Let me get into it. And it is, get rid of the bag. Oh gosh, straight away I can smell some sort of smell. It smells like lavender. So it is a sleep mask, but not one, but 2. And so let me take my glasses off. Here we go. Oh, it's really dark. Oh gosh, so what does it say about that? It's really strong lavender. I've never used a sleep mask before. It feels very soft. It's got like a grey vela on here and then like a cotton on this side. So it says, so it's Harlequin Savanna Eye Mask Twin Pack. RRP is for £16. So relax and unwind in with the Savanna lavender filled eye mask. Calm and soothe the mind whilst keeping bright light at bay. Waft off to sleep, lulled by the fresh lavender flowers held within the luxurious, comfortable mask. Yeah, so I don't need 2. So I think what I will do, if anybody wants one of these, leave me a comment down below and let me know a good tip to get to sleep. What helps you have a good soothing sleep. And then I will draw a winner for this on the 31st of October. So yes, if you want one of these, comment down below and let me know. There we are. So next thing is, what is this? Oh, Dream Big Lashes. I'm not sure what brand it's by. Oh, it's a black brown mascara, so it's not black, so that's a change, because often we just get black mascara, so that's fine. And it is, it looks a nice packaging, nice rose gold packaging. Let's have a look at the wand. So it's a full size. It's like a spiky plastic wand. So yeah, I'll be interested to give that a go. I'm brown black, so it's fine for work and things like that. It's a bit more natural day to day. Let's have a look and see what it says. It says, so it's Rosie for Autograph Mascara. RRP is £15. So created in collaboration with Rosie Huntington Whitley. Or Whiteley. Our Instalash Mascara offers deep colour and a defining lengthening formula to create the look of thick lashes with a thicker brush and finished in Rosie's signature rose gold packaging. This is a timeless mascara that looks just as good in your makeup bag as it does on your lashes. So yeah, so happy to get that, so that's good. And then one more item in here. It's wrapped up in some bubble wrap, so I'm thinking it must be a palette, probably a palette of some description. Let's get in. Ooh, this feels nice. So it is Ardere London, and it is a flawless highlighter. So that looks a really nice packaging. It's in a sleeve, and it comes out like this. Oh, it's cruelty free, which is good. And oh, this looks beautiful. So you've got a little mirror here first of all, and then we've got, let me just tip it this way, so it's like a champagne-y colour and like more of like a rose gold colour. Let's just do a couple of swatches. So got this one. Ooh. Oh wow, that is beautiful. And then let's do this one here. They are gorgeous. Really, really love this. It's a nice pinky shade plus the champagne. They are beautiful. So I'm really, really happy to have that. That is a beautiful looking palette. I've not heard of this company before. I'm sure lots of you know who it is, but I haven't heard of it. But I'm really delighted. It feels nice and sturdy. It's got a magnetic closure, so that's really, really good. It says here, so the RRP for this is £18, and it says, say hello to the softest, most buttery highlighter you'll ever use. It does feel beautiful. The velvety texture of the Ardere highlighters transforms the skin with a stunning sheen. These highlighters are smooth with none of the crumbly parts and no glitter. Chic and polished is the look you will achieve. I have to say, they are stunning. And chances are, this one, I'll probably use this one as a lid colour because I do like using highlights as a lid colour. So, yeah, I'm happy with that. So, just summing up my box then. So, we've got the highlight palette and the mascara. We've got the eyeshadow primer. We've got the 2 Florapy sheet masks, which is fab. Really, really pleased with that. And then the 2 eye masks. So I think that's not a bad box. I'm really not that fussed with the eye masks, if I'm honest. But you see, like, no hand creams, no face creams. It's just makeup, some nice skincare, and a little bit of relaxation. So as I said, if you want to win one of these eye masks, drop me down a little tip in the comment below. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification. Winner drawn 31st of October. And I'm just going to let you know that I've drawn a winner as well for my last giveaway, which was for the Bad Gal, or what was it called? Here we are. It was the Bang Beauty brow pomade. And the winner for this was Little She Bear. So if you can get in touch with me either on here or on Instagram, and I will send this over to you. So that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. As I say, it's my last one of the month. So there we go. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all again very, very soon. Take care.